Hey guys, and excuse me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Food review, Dominos. Now this is going to be a landmark event for me because I've been fighting with Dominos for a long time. Suffice to say, I think since way back, many years back, they stopped delivering to my place, and I've been fighting with them because they say that my area, and I live in the city, is very far from where they can actually deliver, directly deliver. All right. So initially they did order, but then they said they can't. I think this was a few years back. I can't remember. They cannot deliver to my house. Funny enough, they have two outlets. One is 4.5 kilometers away, less than 4.5 kilometers away from me in one direction, 4.5 by the way, and the other is 5 kilometers away. They cannot deliver to my location. I can get pizza or any other food via the delivery apps, right? So if Domino's cannot deliver directly, they should be using the delivery apps. They can deliver to me. They will not allow that. All right. So I actually had a fight. When I said fight, I would send a lot of messages on Twitter, tell them that, you guys are being ridiculous. I can get pizza or pasta or burgers 10 kilometers away near my office, right? But these guys will not deliver. Other companies can deliver. I mean, when I say other companies, those are mostly standalone pizzerias, which, let's face it, are always going to be better than big brand manufactured stuff. But still, they are always more delicious. And whenever I get it, it's not like it's cold or anything like that. So I can't buy their excuse. So many times I've sent them messages. They keep replying, we are trying our best, we're trying our best. They finally started one very close to me. I think less than 2 kilometers away from here. And I can deliver. I ordered it on a delivery app, but the order goes to Domino's directly, and they get the person from them to deliver it to my place. So finally we have this pizza. Which one is this? That is the problem. I think I forgot the name. Let me have a quick check. It's something double spiced, double chicken pizza, something like that. Let me have a quick check. So that's the story. And this has been going on for years, okay? Several years. And I keep telling them, like, you guys are being ridiculous. Why not give it to the two delivery apps that we have? They will bring it to me. You don't have to be bothered and all that stuff. And they're like, well, I have no idea what they are all about. But anyway, finally, since they started this new location, and just a little while ago, I can now get this. So let me see. This one is the... It's funny, can't find the... It is a chicken pizza. Something about spiced. I cannot find it on the website. Yeah, I can't find it on the website. Is it that new? Okay, it is the double spiced chicken pizza. I will put the proper name on the description, on the title when I do have another check, but I can't do it right now. So that's what it says. Looks like 2 types of chicken and some oregano already put in. I did get some oregano with them, but let's try it. Okay, so they actually look very small. This is the medium. Let's try it. And I have missed Domino's. I think the last time I've actually had Domino's was in December of 2020. I haven't been there since then. I haven't been out much in a while. There's a lot of cheese and something that tastes a little funny. The chicken pieces are very small. I can get the taste of this one, which I think is a pepper chicken or something like that. Can't really get much taste out of this chicken. What looks like parsley, I guess. Or is it basil? I'm not sure. Hand tossed pizza. Lots of cheese. Not bad at all. But there is something odd tasting about the pizza. And that is mainly I think it's one of the toppings. So for drinking, I have some apple juice. Basically, it's Appy Fizz. Nice. What will I give this a rating? I think I'll give it an 8. Because like I said, there is a little bit of an odd flavor. It's not on the crust, so I think it is on the second type of chicken. Kind of looks like chicken tikka, maybe like that. I don't know, there's something different about it. So I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Thank you. Have a good night.